Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This video marks the end of 2019 and to another decade. In this video I just want to go over and recap over some of the videos I've done over the last 12 months and going back further. So in this video there will be clips and snippets that never quite made it to the final cut on the videos, so I hope you enjoy it, and then I'll come back at the end of it and I'll tell you what I'm going to be doing for 2020 and hopefully the progress of the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in a minute. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install a complete keyless entry and start kit in your car. In my case, the Mark III Mondeo, my ST220, but this can be used in any car. It's completely universal. And now let's crack on. So I'm going to put it over the centre of the rivet, take the slack up. As I've moved the camera, you can just see where it's sitting in, and it is pushing out. I can just about see it under there. So okay, regular keys on the floor and the new one's in the hand. Door's open. Just going to close it. Well, I would close it. I'll do that, reset it. Okay everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on the Mark III Mondeo. It's the same procedure on most cars, or similar procedure to most cars. So as always, if you like the videos, hit subscribe and give us a thumbs up. No, it's not going to work. I'll make sure this clips all the way up. God, this one's a bit tight on it. Up it. Okay, that side was a little bit more difficult because you had the pedals to contend with, but it's doable. I'm going to change it up. As you can see, it's really bad. I've removed the battery already to get access to the fuse box to say get done, and it will look a lot better. Now this wire, like I said, it's a 20 amp fuse. This is an extra one. I've added this one in and transfer it straight into this new one here. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So remove this one, put it in there. And that's the front flexi down, knocking the camera over at the same time. There's one 30mm bolt, there's another one down there, and if you come over to the other side, there's another one just down here. keep it, because you can send these off to a company. There's a link in the description to the company, and he will actually replace the webbing on these for a fee. I've used him. He's the guy that's sent me my new one. Hey, it's purple, and it's like this because to stop it reeling up and then it getting locked. So I've put a little bit of plastic in there to stop it doing that. But look at that. That is really swanky. That's really nice. I like that. So basically I'm going to put this in now, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like with it all installed. So taking this out is the exact same as taking, and that's how you bypass the immobiliser. Okay, so it's all wired in down here. I have the remote in my hand. Red light shows it's receiving a signal. So let's go for it, shall we? That just shows it works. There's no keys in the ignition. One more time for luck. So that's how you bypass your immobiliser and set this thing up. If you've got a second key with a chip in it, do the same sort of thing and hide the immobiliser ring anywhere from the dash. However, I am working with someone on making like a little box. You put the key in and you can tap the wires into it and it'll do the same job. So it just bypasses. That's it. Just smack myself in the nose. Look, smack myself in the nose, give myself a nosebleed. So I'm going to go and clean myself up and then come back to you. So what's in store for 2020? Okay, I want to finish off all the projects I've started on this car, which is the front polybush installed with the subframe, the side skirts. I've got the aftermarket ones, the final facelift that I've got to be put on. The boot lid needs finishing painting, among a few other little projects. And also, if you guys remember, a while ago I actually started an audio system installed in the boot, and I've totally scrapped that, taking it back to the basics, literally bog standard again, and I'm going to be redoing it properly, and I'll be taking you all along to see that one. Now also, I hope to continue the growth of the channel as best as I can and provide you guys with some good content. Also, I want to thank you all for your continued support. In the last 12 months, the channel's grown from 2,200 give or take to nearly 4,500. That don't seem a lot to some, but to me, you know, the average guy out there just working away on my car and sharing it with you guys, it means a lot. It really does. And I've nearly got 1 million views. So I'm not doing too bad, I don't think. I'm quite impressed with it that you guys want to give up your time to watch. So this video marks the end of 2019 and the start of a new decade in 2020, and hopefully some good content for you guys. Also in 2020 I'm hoping to get out to a few car shows to show the car off and meet some of you guys. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the little clippets I've just put out, and thanks for watching, and until the next video, bye for now. Cheers for the support. Rock on 2020, shall we? Bye for now.